Hey, all my Marshall friends. Welcome once again, Miss Wilson and Larry for art. What we're going to be working on this week, once again, we're into cultural art. We're going to be doing some paper weaving. You're going to watch some videos that are going to be posted on the hub, and I'm going to have some in my team so you can look at those too. You're going to learn how to make a paper weaving placemat since Thanksgiving is coming up. And on that placemat, once you are done with it, you're going to write some things that you are thankful for since, once again, we're close to Thanksgiving. What your placemat will end up looking like, depending on the size, the video is going to tell you how to cut your paper and all that fun stuff. But this is what mine looks like. And mine it's brown with my yellow, my orange, and my red. And then just alternate the colors again. And then when you're finished, you will glue down the edges. And then you can go through and write on here what some things that you are thankful for since once again Thanksgiving is coming up. So to do your paper weaving, now this is a smaller one. And I've taken my brown sheet of paper and I've cut some slits all the way down. Mine are about 1 inch to 2 inches apart. And then I have my other paper, which I've cut into strips. They're about 1 inch to 2 inches once again. And then what you do is you decide, do I want to start on top or start on the bottom? I always like to start on the bottom, that's just me. And then I'm going to come in over top and then go underneath. And basically, I'm going to start weaving in and out of my paper. That's why it's called paper weaving. You also can do weaving with other things like fabric and yarn, but we're doing it with paper this time. And then I get to the end, and then I just kind of want to straighten it up, line it up the best I can, because then I've got the one, then I'm going to go with another color. I'm going to alternate colors. Now I'm going to do yellow. This time, instead of starting on the top, underneath, I'm going to start on the top. So I'm going to alternate my pattern. And once again, I'm going to weave in and out, up and down, till I get to the end again. Okay? And then I'm going to straighten by pushing it. And the more you push these closer together, the more you'll get a tight lock on each one. And I kind of like to line it up. Then when I'm finished, I can go ahead and glue the ends down here and then flip it over and do the same on that side and make sure my ends are glued. So once again, I'm just going to alternate my pattern. This one's going to start on the bottom again. It will get harder the closer you get to the end of this. It does get kind of tight and hard, but if you push your paper together and get as tight as you can, you may get some more room. And there we go. And once again, so now it's kind of moved. So now I'm going to lock it back in by pushing it and tightening it up together. Okay. And if you've got some kind of hanging off, you just can kind of straighten up. So I'm going to continue this all the way down so my paper is filled and I can't get any more in here. And then that will be my paper placemat for my Thanksgiving dinner. And I can write on here in each one of these squares if I have room something I may be thankful for. Family. Um, for me, it's my dog. It could be um, hmm, friends. Could be anything that you may be thankful for this holiday Thanksgiving season. So go ahead and let's see how you can do your paper placemat. And if you're unable to do the paper placemat, there is an activity where you can actually draw a paper weaved placemat or kind of an artwork. So once again, you're going to do your paper weaving. You're going to can watch the videos to show how to do this once again. It'll go through it in detail. You're going to make your placemat. And then think about things that you may be thankful for since once again we're coming up to this holiday Thanksgiving season. And Thanksgiving, we're talking about things that we are thankful for. So once again, boys and girls, this is Miss Wilson for Art, and I was so happy. I want to see you so good, so much, and I'm so happy that you are doing your activities and sending them in to me on the hub. I appreciate it so much. All right, y'all. Goodbye.